Good morning, everyone. Today is the 25th of November, Saturday, and in Rwanda, there is something called the National Cleaning Day, which is today, the last Saturday of every month. It's called Umuganda, and I am in love to be participating in this event where everybody in the community like comes out. Now I'm just heading out of my house, and if you could see there are people behind me. They already start cleaning. I will be cleaning with everybody. I'm just trying to check down the road there how people doing things. Then I will participate. um, our road is already clean, but we will continue to clean it no matter what. I love this community participation work. Nafir, that's what we call it in Sudan. Growing up as a child, I've seen people in my community and I've taken part of such a kind of event um, as a child. And sadly, this event has been stopped for long years. And I can't wait to take part of it, to be part of it again in Rwanda. I will be sharing how people are doing things here shortly, but you can see right there my neighbors already started to clean. Whoa. So yes, it's a cleaning day, guys. If you're coming to Rwanda, please participate in this event. Very important. Take care. I'll see you later. So this is in Rwanda, you don't supposed to drive during this day, cleaning day. If you can see that the police are stopping people, checking them where they're going. So don't try to drive in here, brother or sister. You know, the road is already clean, but this is a must clean day, a no car day. So unless you have an emergency, as far as I understand, you are not going to. You see, even the bike, this motorbike, the police is like, stop, where are you going, yes, and then try to explain. Oh, he didn't stop him. Maybe motorbikes, they don't stop them. I was right. Right. So I just asked the officers, like, I want to do community work with people, and they guided me to go this way. So, and then they showed me, and finally I see the community groups are there. So I'm so excited. Sorry, the camera is shaking. I'm so excited to participate with my local community members. I'm part of this now. I think I consider myself part of Rwanda, and I will participate in every single activity that the Rwandese people are doing. See you later. Awesome. It's a nice feeling. Look, everybody is cutting grass. People come together. Collective work. This is not just it's not just to show or whatever. This is like work. People are doing work. People come together. Your house, not your house. Nobody care actually, but people just come together and clean. Take care. The neighborhood leader is explaining to us, the guy in the hat right there, uniform, is explaining to us where to go, and everybody will follow to start cleaning from where he's telling us. Leadership, community leadership. Yep. Work is still going on, and people are just for directions, where to go and where to clean. Our leaders right here. So it seems like there's nothing on the outside, so we are most likely gonna stick around in here for some time, and then the leader will guide us where to go. But the process is very enjoyable. I'm having fun, you know, with my machete right here. See this? This is this is not to use it for harming a human being, but this is for just removing the plants or the unwanted grass like these people doing right there. This is what you're gonna do with it. Cleaning. A country like Rwanda, this is the country that I've always dreamed to be living in. If you are somebody who is interested in community participation, interested in doing good work for the community, and also enjoy everything that you are doing, please. I think Rwanda is the, I don't want to say the only country because I have never been outside of my country except the United States and Canada and then now Rwanda. So it's not fair for me to say that, but I would say it's one of the best countries that could teach you discipline and how you could just feel happy in everything that you are doing, you know, be it mentally, be it physically. You will be exercising naturally. Look at these friends right there. I don't even know them, but they are doing very well. They're doing very well. You want it? Yeah, sure. Go ahead. So this guy right here, saw me that I'm not using the machete for now because I was using it before, but now it's time for me to film. Immediately he came and he said, "Just give it to me. I want to work. Free. We are not getting paid for this. This is free work." I think other nations must learn from Rwanda. A national cleaning day every last Saturday in a month. A must. No cars. The police officer stopped me. He saw me right there. Police officer told me, "Where are you going? Are you going to the hotel?" I said, "No, I'm looking for Omaganda people," meaning the cleaning, people who clean the neighborhood. And then he guided me to go to join these people right here. So please learn from Rwanda and just do good work right here, my brothers and sisters. There's nothing called only male do this or female. Everybody is actually coming together to work and do good to make it clean. I will catch you later. Take care. If you guys think people in here are all from Rwanda, you are not right. People in this place.
Can I help you?
Yes, sir. Help me. My brother right here is me filming again, and then he's like, "Can I help you?" "Yes, brother, help me."
From Congo.
Congo.
From DRC.
See?
Yes, we are from Congo.
DRC
Yeah.
too. DRC too.
Mwanabuka. Yeah.
Say hi to your people, brother.
Hi.
All right, so I see people here from Sudan, from Benin, from Congo, from Rwanda,
Yeah.
from
Nigeria.
Nigeria, Cameroon, I think too, no?
Cameroon. No Cameroon today.
No Cameroon today, but people here from all over, almost all over Africa. This is not only about Rwanda. This is about, this is not about Rwandese, but this is about Rwanda. Whoever in here will do what the Rwandese people are doing. I'm so proud, and those brothers and sisters are also proud to be participating in such an event. You know, I just can't even explain how I feel. Really, I've seen this event on online, like you watching me now, and I'm sure that you will say right now that I wanted to go to Rwanda and be part of this community group. It's a community participation. This is the African way. This is the African way. Nafir, community work, community participation, communal work, common work. All this is still in effect, is still in practice in Africa. Growing up, I've done similar activities, and I know how happy I used to feel about it. Everyone, I don't even live around here. And these people, they don't even live around here. Everybody comes, they just come together. This is not even their homes. This is not even where I live. But to clean my neighborhood, to clean my city, to clean the country that I live in is actually my duty, my responsibility. You know, if you are in a country thinking that only the sanitation workers can clean your city or something like that, and you keep complaining, if you are one of those people who keep complaining, oh, my city is dirty, you are the dirty because you don't clean your city. Why don't you come like people in Rwanda? See, this is just a Saturday from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. People come together and clean. First, you got to know new people. Second, you exercise. Third, you keep your environment healthy. Fourth, it's a reward, not financially, a spiritual reward. It will keep your mental health healthy. So please do it. Take care. See the sisters right here, also cleaning, kind of job. Everybody. So happy, so enjoyable moment. Umanga, please hashtag Umanga if you are in Rwanda or anywhere in the world, or even if you participate in such event. Hashtag Umanga Rwanda.
Sexual-based harassment.
Sexual-based harassment to the child between under 17 years. The punishment is 20 years, above to 25 years in jail.
In jail.
In jail. Nuvango ni icyaha gikomeye. Bamufashe nta burenga nta mbaraga nta. It is a crime. Hanyuma akavuga ko iyo gusambanya umwana byakorewe umwana uri munsi y'imyaka 14 under 14 years igihano kibi gifungo cya burundu.
So we are still in the briefing here. The leaders of the community are explaining to us what's happening and why they started this Umaganda, and they're mentioning that for 20 years they fought corruption and they wanted to maintain it as such, and they want to make it even, they want to strengthen it, and they're welcoming even people who are not Rwandese to empower their community, strengthen their values against corruption. Very powerful message these leaders are doing here today. Just make your tears come down. For love though, not for sadness. Alright, it's time for me to go back home after participating in the Omanga, the National Cleaning Day here in Rwanda. And I enjoyed every single aspect of it. It's not only about cleaning, but it's very educational, informative activity that you could do. The community leaders, the local government, everybody come together and then they teach you. They know that there are Rwandese, but also there are foreigners participating in these events, but they come and teach you why they start doing this, the history, a little bit brief history of Rwanda and their values. And they are very keen to tell every single body about their values and how they want to maintain this country strength. I loved it and I enjoyed everything I've done today. And I encourage everybody who is in Rwanda currently, please, if you are going back, it's okay. But if you're gonna be staying the next Saturday, the next last Saturday of December, please, early morning, around 8 in the morning, just come out of your house, your hotel, your hostel, whatever place that you're staying in. Come out and see what the community, what the local community doing, and participate. If you want to learn about Rwanda, this is the only platform that would teach you what is Rwanda and why this Rwanda is beautiful and safe as I can see it today. Until next time, please subscribe and and follow me at Creative Time to see more inspiring videos in the future. Take care. The team from Uganda.
mwakoze cyane
I hope to see you next time.